I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Affirm to Square, follow these simple steps to get it done smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Affirm account. Start by accessing your Affirm account through the app or website. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Check your balance. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard to check your available balance. This is the amount you can transfer. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Look for the option to transfer funds. This is usually found under a transfer or withdraw section. Click on it to start the process. Step 4. Enter Square account details. Input your Square account information, including your email and any required identifiers. Double check for typos to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the icerock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you don't see the funds in your Square account within a few hours, check your transaction history on both platforms. Happy transferring!